Hello, hello. You get a look on my page, you will see some sculpture work if you scroll down, maybe in the pinned video. There is not much here. I make metal sculptures, figurines and angels and crazy stuff. If a human being can do it, we can make it into a sculpture. So these are the kind of things, bodies and stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm getting back into this. I have not worked here for 20 years with my father. I got stabbed through the spine, and yeah, it sent me off in another direction, and fate has me back here. My first welding session in 20 years. And what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to make a replica or my version of Rodin's The Kiss. So it's going to be a male and female kissing or hugging or something. And yeah. So right now I'm just gathering up some metal, and you may or may not be able to look at this on the screen. I just do not know if you can look at it on the screen. So what I'm doing is I'm using horseshoe nails. They're actually cut floor brads now as a base. Back in the day we used to use horseshoe nails, but they're very expensive now. All metal is very expensive now. So what I'm doing here just now is I'm making the shape of a body like that. And I'm going to weld them. I'll use that as the female. So basically we'll have that, and then we'll have the four legs. But I'm going to make this a little bit bigger than usual. So here goes. I've missed this smell. You're getting to see me pop my cherry again, basically. It's been 20 years. Let's see if I can remember what to do. It literally has been 20 years. Yeah. Like riding a bike. So what I'm doing first is I'm making the shape of the body. I'll try and talk to you as I go. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. As I said, if a human being can do this, can do it, we can make a sculpture. So if you're a paraglider, scuba diver, a bank robber, you can make a sculpture that does whatever a human being can do. This being female, it's going to be a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. You can have a pair of babies. Making sculptures with the body, a female. It's going to be a kiss or a hug I'm going to do. I'm going to do it sort of in tribute to me and Mickey. Start time for time. Echo set of babies.
changing the wedge now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the leg onto the body. Woman's leg up in the air and bending her knee back. But I don't think that's a full feet actually. Right, there we go. Stage one. All done. I'll show you with the drop in my phone. This is where we're at just now. So we've got the two figurines. We're going to stand them up here. We're going to heat them up and we're going to bend them with the pliers into the shape and form. And then we'll let it cool down and we'll put it on a base, a metal sheet base, or maybe a rock or a pebble, something like that. And then we'll clean it on a wire wheel and then we'll dip it in lacquer. These are some of the bigger ones that we can make, which are quite big. And we've even done life-size ones and stuff. So, as I said, go to the pinned videos and you'll see a better selection of stuff. If you've got any questions, prices, things like that. Ordinarily, the price of this size would probably be in the £60-70, £60-70 range. But seeing it's my first one, I will sell it for 50 quid just. They're quite heavy and robust. They can be used as weight, paperweights, door stoppers, or even used to red rum your partner if they piss you off. I've got a better idea looking at the page. I just wanted to nip it and check that my dad's cars. My car's already moving my car, but my handbrake's not working right. So that's it. I'm very good because it's hot, you see, so I can't really touch it. So there's the hands on the neck and hand on the waist, and you can see the faces, is, you know, the hairline, the hair, and the bun, and everything's completely unique. One off, nothing's the same. You know, it's a no cast. There you go. So that's it. It's now going to get buffed when it's cool, so it'll be really quite like almost like a shiny steel finish. Maybe sort of darker bits in it, but that'll be the texture. Not got any line about that I can show you. So it is almost like a stainless sort of steel finish, and it can either be on like a bit of slate, or a big sort of boulder, or a metal base like that, which is quite heavy, or thinner metal bases like that. It can be whatever finish you want it to be in the bowl. So I'm going to leave that there now, and I'm going to come in with my phone and put it actually back. Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll come in with the phone. That would be easier, wouldn't it? Than trying to navigate a hot sculpture around a phone. So I'll come in here. Right. I don't know if I can see it. Where is it?
Now I've got the light behind me, let me see. There we go. So I'm still about 3 or 4 inches away, but the heat coming off it's incredible. So that's where we're at there, you see. A wee bun haircut. And the mum's got boobies in that as well, so and a bit of bum in that, so yeah, that's it. There we go, there's a nice pose. So it will be kind of like that, you know, buffed up to that sort of level. But it'll have dark bits here and there where the grinder and the wheel can't get in. So it's got a texture of sort of 2 colours. A darker steel and a light steel. Which is how it finishes off with. You can see loads of all the textures and stuff as well. They look amazing when they're clean. So that's it, my first sculpture in 20 years. Based on a woman I've been hugging for the last 11. And who I'll have a son with. Scots Czech boy. He's half Czech, half Scottish. Which is an amazing human being. Anyway. Cool, eh? It's actually one of the best ones I've made. And I've not made one for 20 years. Yeah, there we go. So there's my hand. So it's, and there's my face. It's about 12 inches, I would say. 12 inches tall. So yeah, I'll do it as a bonus to sell it. It'd be 50 quid for the first chain, but they will be about, at that size they would be about 70, 75 quid. And you've got another base to go on it and what have you, or it can be a stone base, whichever you prefer, or slate. Oh, there's my boys. A few folk are alive there. Do you want to say hello?
Say hi.
Say hello. You can't see people, it's only yourself you can see.
Dad,
What?
don't let Grandpa John see us because we're playing hide and seek.
Oh, you're playing hide and seek?
We're hiders. Go Grandpa John's counter.
Oh,
Don't
right.
tell him.
Right, okay. Right, well you can't come in here.
Hi.
Go out this and we're going to hide by the hut. Grandpa John can hardly fucking walk, man. Right, I'm going to go. I'm going to come up in the morning and finish that. Clean it and stuff. I'll let it cool naturally because the only other way to cool it is with water and then you can induce rust. And they get dipped lacquered. They get dipped in a big lacquer tank when they're finished. Ordinarily I would probably go and work on another 2 or 3 sculptures and then come back to them in the afternoon when they were cool. And that is my first sculpture in 20 years. So I can then base it. I don't know now. And I based it on those tips that me and my missus have. Next one will be a piss next week. I'm going to come and finish it off tomorrow after I get back. I'll go and Joshua. And that's it. This is quite a big one. My hand, 10, 12 inches. This will probably come out at about 70 quid when it's finished. I'm going to sell it for 50. Generally the sculptures are that height, half the height, or about 25, 30 quid, maybe 40. So maybe 60, 70 quid ordinary for this. But this one I'm going to do for about 45, 50. It'll depend on what I do as a base. If it's a wee metal base, maybe 45. If it's a bigger metal base or a stone or a bit of slate, it'll be about 50. 55. It's the first one from Callum. 20 years. 20 years to be precise. I started working when I was 12 years old and I died at 51. Enough about me. Hope you like it. It will be finished out that kind of colour and it's polished up in the end.